Hello class 8, welcome to your geography class. Today we are going to discuss the exercises related to the topographical map, right? So here question A, multiple choice question. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five questions are there. Number 1, a dash is represented by elliptical closely spaced contours. Four options are there: plateau, plain surface, pass, saddle. Question number 2, settlements along a national highway are called. Four options are there: dispersed, nuclear, compact, and linear. Third, settlements made by nomadic tribes. So nomadic tribes means the tribes or the group of people who migrate from one place to another place with their cattle, right? So they are nomadic tribes. So nomadic tribes are called dash settlements. Number 4, urban settlements are dash in size: small, large, medium, rural. Fifth, the contour lines on a map are generally shown in dash color. So now the four options are given there: red, green, black, brown. Now let's talk about the first one, a dash represented by elliptical closely spaced contours. So the correct answer is plateau. Number 1. Question A, number 1 is plateau. Number 2, settlements along a national highway. So along a national highway means obviously the huts are arranged one after another, right? So we call it linear settlement. Number 3, settlements made by nomadic tribes are obviously non-permanent, or we can say it's a temporary. Non-permanent means temporary. Number 4, urban settlements are large in size. And the fifth one is the contour lines on a map are generally shown in brown color. Clear? Okay, note down these. Now let's move to this second exercise, that is question B, match the two columns, column A with column B. Okay children, let's discuss question B. Question B, match the column A with column B. Number 1, survey of India. So you're going to match with C1 in the next column, that is topographical map. So 1 is C with C, right? Topographical map, survey of India, topographical map. Number 2, contour index. So second question, contour index, we are going to match in with fifth contour line made bold, right? So that is second D1. Clear? Okay, now next third question, that is dispersed settlement. So dispersed settlement, generally we see dispersed settlement in hilly area, hilly region. So third is going to match with E1, right? Now fourth, that is steep hill. Steep hill will have closely spaced contours. So fourth is going to match with B1. And the fifth one, that is coal. We know coal is what? Coal is narrow and steep sided depression. So fifth is going to match with A1 in the next column, right? So your answers are like this: number 1 C, number 2 D, number 3 E, number 4 B, and number 5 A. So just note down this. Now let's move to the next exercise, that is exercise C, fill in the blanks. Okay, question C, fill in the blanks. Number 1, in a dash settlement, people stay for long duration, for long time. So that settlement is permanent settlement. Permanent settlement. In permanent settlement, people live for long duration, long time. Number 2, the top of hill is called summit. SUMMIT, summit. Top of hill is known as summit. Number 3, the river in plain area will have dash spaced contour. So that answer is widely spaced. Widely spaced means the gap between the two consecutive contour line is, or contour height is more. So that is widely spaced. Answer is widely spaced. Number 4, a broad flat area between two ridges is called saddle. SADDLE. Saddle, right? Okay, now number 5th, Bakarwals are a dash tribe. So which tribe? Number 5, nomadic tribe. NOMADIC. Nomadic. Now come to question number 6. Leveling instrument is used to observe. Leveling instrument is a kind of instrument with a rotating telescope. Means a telescope is there for measuring horizontal and vertical angles and fixing directions, right? So that is your leveling instrument, which is also known as theodolite. And now this instrument, leveling instrument, is used to observe the height. You can write height from a distant point. So you can write this. Leveling instrument is used to observe height from distant point, right? Okay, now next is number 7. Settlements along a road, along a national highway, that is linear, will have linear settlement, right? Now next, number 8, urban settlements have good sense of town planning. So I'll write here sense of, good sense of town planning, or sense of settlement planning, town planning, you can write, right? Okay. Now next question, question D, correct the following sentences and rewrite them. So you are gonna write the correct statement, right? Okay, now number 1, this is incorrect statement. A saddle is a narrow passage in a mountain range. Is it? No, because pass, answer is a pass is a narrow passage in a mountain range. Number 2, Bakarwals and Gujars live in permanent settlements. No, because they are nomadic tribes. That is why they do not have permanent settlement. So what will write here? Bakarwals and Gujar live in temporary settlements. Number 3, hills have compact or nucleated settlements. No, hilly region, hilly area or hills have dispersed settlements. Number 4, the rivers in the plains have steep slope. No, the rivers in the plains have, will not say gentle, will write flat, or will write flat, or will write flat terrain or level terrain, right? Okay, now next, number 5. The contour lines on a map are shown in yellow color. That's wrong statement, and the correct statement is the contour lines on a map are shown in brown color, right? So I'm going to write the correct statement here. Please do write the correct statement. Do write these statements in your notebook, right? So first, a saddle is a narrow passage in a mountain range. Answer is number 1, a pass. So you are going to remove a saddle. Answer is a pass. A pass. And rest of the sentence you note down from book. A pass is a narrow passage in the mountain. In the mountain range. Number 2. So Bakarwals and Gujars live in temporary. So you are going to remove permanent and you are going to write temporary settlement, right? Third one, hills have compact or nucleated settlements. No, hilly region have what? Dispersed settlements. So in place of compact and nucleated, you are going to write hills have dispersed settlement. Clear? Now come to question 4. The rivers in the plains have steep slope. No, the rivers in the plain have level terrain. No slope, level terrain, right? Okay, now number 5. So you'll not write steep slope, you'll write have level terrain or flat terrain also you can write. In place of level, you can write flat, F-L-A-T, flat terrain. Now number 5, the contour lines on a map are shown in dash yellow color. So yellow color, in place of yellow, you'll write brown color. Brown color, right? Okay, now let's move to answer the following questions briefly. Exercise E. Okay, question E, answer the following questions briefly. I hope you all have done all these questions, because these questions you have already done in your notebook, like what's the meaning of contour interval, what is a plateau, what's the difference between col and pass, and what is the most common shape of contours of a plateau. Why do we use theodolite? So theodolite, I think this 1 to 3, question number 1 to 3 you have done. 4 and 5 you'll do in notebook, right? Fourth is, why do we use theodolite? First, you are going to write the meaning of theodolite. Theodolite is an leveling instrument or a survey instrument with a rotating telescope for measuring horizontal and vertical angles and fixing directions, right? So you'll get the answer from new terms, which is given here, page number 11, right, in new terms. So last, fifth one, what is the most common shape of contours of a plateau? So most common shape of contours, so that is elliptical, right? Elliptical contour. So why the shape of the contours is elliptical? Because the top of plateau is flat, right? Okay, now let's discuss question G. Study the topographical map and answer the following questions. So very interesting question. This one, the topographical map, you need to study this map extract, and you need to give the answer of these questions given here in question G. Study the topographical map and answer the following questions. Question 1. What is the main occupation of the people? So settlements are there. Now, what is the main occupation? So what is the main occupation means you are going to write only one. So what you see here, yellow patch, you'll find here all over the map extract. So the most important or main occupation of the people living in this area is agriculture, right? Or cultivation also you can write. So answer G, question G1. Answer 1 is agriculture or cultivation, right? So I've written here one word answer, but you are going to write full answer, right? So agriculture is the main occupation of the people. Number 2, do you find any forest in the area? Yes, we find forest area here, because this green patch means forest area. So green patch we have open jungle. It's written here open jungle, right? So yes, we find open jungle in that map extract. Answer 2, open. So question answer 2 is open jungle. So you'll write yes, open jungle is there in the map extract. Now number 3, is there any major river in the area? Yes, there is a river which is here, present here in the map extract. So you'll write yes, there is a river and you'll give name is not written there, so you are going to make the symbol there. Yes, there is a main river with this blue line here. Now next, what do the white and red colors indicate? So white color, I told you white color indicates answer is white color indicates open scrub, white color, and red color, so settlements and transports, both are in given in red color. So you'll write settlements and transports, or you can write mode of transports: car track, pack track, car track, pack track. They are in red color, given in red color, right? So now question H is your homework. You're going to do this question H in book only, right? So question H and question E 4 and 5th part. Question E 4 and 5th part is your homework, and question H to be done in book only, right? So this is also your homework, right children? Okay children, so here we have completed our exercises of chapter 1, that is representation of geographical features, topographical map. So in next video we'll start a new chapter, and we'll study about the Indian subcontinent. We'll study about the extent, location of India, and many more, right? So I'll come with some more interesting facts about our India. So soon we'll meet in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.